Hello there, this is Deepti. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's tutorial, I'm going to make the slimline rainbow colored surfboard card using a couple of techniques like stenciling, ink blending, stamping, and heat embossing. To make this card, I have used Maker Forte's Surf Up stamp set with beautiful designs to style your surfboard. And I'm also using the slimline surfboard spotlight stencil. To start with, I took Maker Forte's ultra wide cardstock of size 4 by 8.25 inches and secured the surfboard spotlight stencil with non-permanent tape. I ink blended it using rainbow colored distress oxides in rainbow order, started with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and then red. You can find the list of supplies along with the colors I have used in the description below. Here I secured the stencil and ink blended it with Distress Oxide violet color. I repeated this process with all the colors and make sure while you are changing the color, just clean the stencil properly to avoid mixing the two colors. Here our stencil surfboard background is ready. Let's style these surfboard using these beautiful design from Maker Forte's Surfs Up stamp set. For that, I have used my stamping tool. I positioned the design over the stencil surfboard and stamped it using the same Distress Oxide color. I cleaned the stencil and inked it with Maker Forte clear emboss ink and heat embossed it using Ranger's clear embossing powder. I repeated this step for all the surfboards. Here our card front panel is ready, and I hope you can see the texture of design which we have created using clear embossing powder. It was really looking nice. Here I trimmed the panel about 1/4 inches from both the sides and adhere it to the Maker Forte's Eclipse black cardstock using double-sided tape. For the sentiment, I have used Seaside Sentiment stem set from Maker Forte and heat embossed this "Can't wait to see you again" sentiment on black strip using Ranger's white embossing powder. I adhered the strip to the card panel using foam tape. Here I added these matching neon gemstones from Maker Forte to complete this card. I really enjoyed making this colorful surfboard card and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I will be back here soon. Till then, bye bye.